Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Wild Foods channel here. It's Jamie and Marcy, and today we have one of our most delicious products, our wild vanilla powder. We're gonna go into its benefits, where it comes from, and why you guys don't wanna miss out on this one.
But before we get into that, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to click the little bell icon because that will actually notify you when we do put out videos. You don't want to miss them.
Our wild vanilla powder is made from carefully hand-harvested vanilla beans. The vanilla beans are dried and then made into a fine powder.
So it's very clear that vanilla typically smells so good and it tastes delicious, but it actually has tons of health benefits, believe it or not. It's good for lowering cholesterol levels.
It's also good for people who are at a high risk for heart attacks or stroke.
It's also great for alleviating gout and other inflammatory conditions.
Perhaps one of the biggest benefits is the antioxidants that are in vanilla beans. The antioxidants can help your body fight against free radicals and can also help cell tissue damage.
As you may know, antioxidants are great to shield the immune system, so get all the antioxidants you can, and why not use something as delicious as vanilla that you can add into drinks, coffee, smoothies, shakes, desserts, like so many dishes. All right guys, so we're gonna go in the kitchen and use one of my favorite proteins, our creamy vanilla, and we're gonna make a delicious shake for you guys. All right, cheers. We're gonna give this a go and see how delicious it is because I know it's gonna be good.
So good. It literally tastes like a shake that you would get from McDonald's or something like that, but 1,000 times better and definitely healthier.
Yeah, and it has the perfect amount of like sweetness. There's a tiny bit of stevia in the vanilla whey, and then we sprinkled some of those wild sweet nibs, cacao nibs. I literally feel like I'm drinking a milkshake.
So good.
And that's the great thing about making your own recipes at home, guys. You can make really amazing, delicious stuff and not have all the guilt and shame. Do I have any sweet nibs in my teeth?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Sorry, guys.
So, that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video about our vanilla powder. As you can see, I've almost killed this drink already, and it's been about 0.2 seconds. Make sure to drop a comment, like, and subscribe if you are not already subscribed.
Also, we always welcome our newest subscribers. We want to welcome Bonnie. Thanks for coming
Hey,
and
Bonnie.
hanging out with us and watching our videos. We hope you find them super helpful and informative, and also delicious. Be sure to use our YouTube code.
It's YouTube12, and that is 12% off any of our products online.
So as always, we appreciate you all, and
We will see you next time.
bye.
Bye.